Okay folks, welcome back to the kitchen, and we're now focusing on the stovetop or the cooktop. So when it comes to different types of cooktops, the type of cooktop we're looking at right now is a gas range. So gas ranges are actually pretty easy to deal with. There's a few elements we need to consider. Element number one is the actual grates themselves. So the grates need to be removed, so as an example over here, and cleaned thoroughly, left for 24 hours, and best case scenario would be if they could be fit into the oven itself, and when the oven is going for its 40 minutes for its clean, they should be in it. That'll achieve a libun kal, and that'll be sufficient. If they're able to go into a self-clean oven, that's even better. Then one would not even need to clean them or wait 24 hours. They could go straight in and be kashered through the self-clean cycle. Please contact the manufacturer of your cooktop to make sure that first your grates can actually survive that, and also that the self-clean cycle, as an example, if we were to put these into our oven, it would actually break the oven itself. So therefore that would not be a possibility. So when we need to do the cleaning, waiting 24 hours, and then putting it into the oven for a regular, at the highest, 550 for 40 minutes. Similarly, just to be aware of this, there's another option which exists, and that is let's say one were not to be able to put them in the oven at all. One could take a large pot, a Pesach pot, and one would take a large pot filled with water and put it over the burner, and put the burner on for a full 20 minutes on high. What that does is it will concentrate the heat sufficiently underneath the pot to actually kasher the area with the intensity of the heat of the actual burner itself. The only things that actually need to be kashered themselves are their grates. The burners themselves do not need to be kashered. When it comes to the area around the burners, that area should be cleaned and should be covered. Today it's easy to get certain inserts which can be put over the area itself, which makes it a lot easier. One should just be careful when covering the area not to cover any vents, because the vents are necessary for the release of heat. If one has a stainless steel stovetop, as an example like this one can actually kasher that by using hagala, by pouring water backwards and forth across it, thereby avoiding the necessity to cover it. This is the gas range stovetop and its kashering.